The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
They told us to be ready by 5:30 this morning. By 5:45 they kick us out of the room at Bay Principe Hotel. And from 5:45 they kick us out of the room. We've got nothing to eat, nothing to drink, nothing to eat, nothing to drink. From 5:45 this morning we came on the bus, nothing to eat, nothing to drink, and we're still out here. We're still out here. From 5:45 they kick us out of the room, out of the hotel, and we're still here. Now the crew members are all out of the bus because they're hungry. A lady almost collapsed in the bus because she have diabetes. One test her pressure is high. No water, nothing to eat or drink from this morning 5:45 until now. And they won't let us to go anywhere to find something to eat or drink or stop and get it for us. This is utter madness. This is injustice. This is injustice. This has to stop. This is not how you treat your citizens. If we're even Jamaicans anymore, because I certainly don't feel like it.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And I have another video that I'm going to present to you, and these videos that I'm presenting to you, viewers and subscribers, according to what had been said about these videos on social media, is that these videos shows off persons who are said to be cruise ship members who had returned to Jamaica. It is said that they are complaining about being on buses for hours. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, for those who might not know, there are persons out there who were on a cruise ship that had came to Jamaica, and persons who are said to be Jamaicans were denied entry to the country of Jamaica due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and they were out there at sea for some time, but however they had been allowed to enter the country of Jamaica, and with that these persons had been quarantined, and it is said that these persons had been tested, or they are still being tested to see if they have the COVID-19. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, this video basically shows of these persons complaining that they were on these buses for hours. You get what I'm saying to you? I'm not sure how many hours, but it is said that the crew members complain about being on these buses for hours. Alright, so viewers and subscribers, I'm just doing this video to basically keep you up to date and posting and make you know what's going on, is what I'm saying to you, because this situation right here is being talked about on social media, and you can let me know what you think about some of the things that you had seen and heard in these videos. Alright, now I am going to present to you the other video right about now. Actually, I'm going to leave that video with you, my viewers and subscribers, is what I'm saying to you. Alright, and just let me know what you think. And alright, so this is where I leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
This is the new drama unfolding on Bottom Road. What time is it now? Let me see. 5 minutes to 6. From we leave, from they kick us out of the room 5 o'clock this morning with nothing to eat, nothing to drink. Now it's 5 minutes after 6. So this is the issue right now that is happening on Bottom Road, Montego Bay, where now they're taking people out of the buses. See? They're taking people out of the buses because they have no clue what they're doing. Now they're rearranging by community and all these things, because they have 5 buses with crew members from St. James and 1 health inspector checking your accommodation to make sure it's suitable for your continuation of quarantine. And this is now the situation, like we're on show in Montego Bay. They have to do better. 5 minutes to 6, 12 hours nothing to eat, 13 hours nothing to eat now. This is crazy, and it's not even about that. It's a lack of organization, and nobody wants to communicate. When you ask questions, this is the attitude you get from the cops and the soldiers, because nobody cares, and that is it. Welcome to Jamaica. Land we love, right? Land we love, forget.